My name is Ian Mulhall. I'm the Operations Director at Thorlux Lighting. So Thorlux is a Midlands-based manufacturer. We're industrial and commercial. We manufacture about 600,000 luminaires a year, so quite a lot of lights. Employ 500 people at our Redditch site, and we turn over approaching £80 million in the UK. We embarked on a project 2 years ago, and we had a lot of reliability issues with our current air setup. And we engaged with Multi-Air to come in and do a full survey of the factory and to understand what our air requirements were, how much air we needed, what the condition and what the quality of the air was in all the different parts of the factory. We had a lot of air outages, both on the machine tool side and also on the lower pressure side on the air. We'd had about 200 hours of lost production time during the late part of 2019, start of 2020. So we decided that with all of our compressed air requirements, we wanted to build in dual redundancy. So we split the two systems in half, and we basically have a setup which is a high pressure system, which is the 15 bar system, and the low pressure system, which is the 7 bar system. On the 7 bar system, we did go for our desiccant dryers. We went for a very high end desiccant dryer because for us it was all about reliability, it was all about life cost. We went for a Pneumatech system. They are higher capital cost at the start of the project, but over the 5 years, I think it was about 5 or 7 years, the payback was nearly £30,000 on the cost of the dryer. So they actually paid back during the first 5 years of investment. So for us, it was all about dual redundancy again, high pressure, and it was about the payback on the system rather than the initial capital expenditure. For us, for Thorlux Lighting, we're never going to supply at just price. It's always about innovation. It's all about life cycle costs, so most of our big sales into our customers is to do with the life of the product and the payback. So customers will invest more up front if they feel that they're going to get the life out of the product and the energy savings over the time. And that was the way we tackled the compressed air project. So we looked at not just the capital cost, the investment at the start, it's more about the whole life cycle of the product. And that was certainly true on the desiccant dryers. But really for the long run, the aim was to invest the money up front and hopefully get the better life out of the product and the energy saving through investment throughout the system, certainly around the paint shop and anything. Again, that came out in the survey. I was really pleased that we identified where we got problems and how we could solve them. So the low pressure side, we did increase the receiver sizes. I think it was 2,000 litres on the low pressure, which just meant that we don't have air outages now. We have no pressure drops. We weren't really getting too many problems with air quality, but all the issues that we ever had have now gone, especially in the paint shop, because moisture in the air was a problem for a time, but again, that's all been fixed within the installation on the low pressure side.